Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You open the process by getting straight to Settings. Once done, unlock your iPhone 11 and go to Settings, then Battery. You'll see Low Power Mode flip that switch to On. That immediately throttles background activity, mail fetch, visual effects, and automatic downloads to extend battery life. Make sure you watch the battery percentage icon turn yellow. That confirms Low Power Mode is active. If you need quicker access, keep going. There's a Control Center shortcut and automation you can add next. Continue by automating Low Power Mode so you don't rely on manual toggles. Open the Shortcuts app, tap Automation, then create Personal Automation. Select battery level and set the threshold, for example, below 20%. Add the action Set Low Power Mode and set it to On. Important, turn off Ask before running so the automation runs without prompts. For full control, create a second automation that turns Low Power Mode off when battery rises above a chosen percent like 80. Finish by testing your setup. Either run the shortcut manually or wait for the battery threshold to hit and observe the yellow battery icon. Once Low Power Mode is active, check Settings right arrow Battery to confirm the status. If the automation doesn't run, make sure Ask before running is turned off in the automation. Then restart your iPhone and verify iOS is current. This resolves most failures. If problems persist, recreate the automation and double-check battery thresholds and action assignments to ensure accurate behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.